In this video, you'll learn how to hide an event in Calendly, ensuring that it is no longer visible on your booking page. By following these steps, you will successfully prevent anyone from scheduling that specific event until you choose to make it visible again. Begin by navigating to the Calendly website. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials in the designated fields on the login page. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to your main dashboard. Next, locate the section labeled Event Types on the left-hand side of the screen. This area displays all of the events you've created. Click on Event Types to access the list of your scheduled events. After the Event Types page loads, browse through the list to find the specific event that you wish to hide. Each event will have a brief description and relevant details that will help you identify it accurately. Once you have located the desired event, look for an on/off switch position beside it. This toggle allows you to control the visibility of the event. Click on the switch to change its state. To hide the event, ensure the toggle is set to off. A confirmation message may appear indicating that the event is now hidden. This action ensures that the event disappears from your booking page, preventing anyone from scheduling it. If you decide to make the event visible again in the future, simply return to the event type section, find the event and toggle the switch back to on. This flexibility allows you to manage your events efficiently without permanent changes. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.